Hello all, greetings from Tampere, Finland. Council for Creative Education Finland is one of the leading organizations who conducts the school visits in Finland. So we would like the educators, teachers, the people who are working in the field of education as researchers across the globe should come to Finland, experience the Finnish way of learning, understand the school, go bit below the secrecy levels, what people are understanding about the Finnish education, and try to uncover that secrets in a real practical way. And for that, we organize the education tours since last more than 10 years. In last 10 years, we had an amazing experience of handling visitors and teachers, educators across more than 35 countries. And while doing that, we gained a lot of expertise and experience in handling these tours. Because of COVID, for last 2 years, we couldn't conduct any of the tours. The last tour which we conducted was in March 2020, just 10 days before the lockdown started. We ended our tour and then that group went back and then the lockdown started. But now Finland is back to normal. All the world is back to normal, and we have started working on our education tours. To make the tours practical, we have created a lot of safeguarding ideas. We have also created the plan how we can be able to safeguard the students as well as the schools as well as the safeguard the interest of the visitors who are traveling here. So to know more about it, we are going to conduct a live webinar about it. So please join us for that webinar and we will discuss more about those things in days to come. Thank you very much.